Hey everyone, it's Nicole with American Paving Design. If you're thinking about remodeling your existing pool deck, then this video is for you. Everyone's number one concern when considering a new paver project is the cost. So today, I want to discuss things that can increase the cost of your pool deck project. Textured pavers. Textured pavers are pavers that have a texture on the surface. These textures can vary from light to rough depending on the manufacturer. Adding textured pavers to your pool deck can increase the cost by approximately 80 cents to upwards of $2 a square foot, depending on the paver size, manufacturer, and the quantity ordered. Large format pavers. Many clients like to have large format pavers on their pool decks because they make the space appear larger than it actually is. If you choose to install a large format paver versus standard size paver, the cost of your project could likely increase by 80 cents to $1. The reason behind this is because a large size paver is more expensive to produce, therefore the square foot price is more expensive than a standard brick. Travertine. Selecting a travertine paver versus a standard remodel paver can increase the cost of your pool deck. Travertine pavers are made from natural stone and are usually more expensive than a regular concrete paver. If you choose to install travertine pavers or travertine coping on your pool deck, your price would increase by $1.50 to $3 a square foot, once again depending on the kind of travertine selected. Porcelain pavers. Porcelain pavers are great for pool deck materials, but it's an upgraded charge. Porcelain pavers are larger than regular concrete pavers and are more labor intensive to install. If you choose porcelain as your pool deck material, we estimate that our unit price will probably increase $3 to $5 depending on the amount ordered, the manufacturer, and the style chosen. Polysand. Polysand is a material used to fill the joints in between your pavers. Polysand, when mixed with water, creates a strong bond that prevents your pavers from shifting and moving. Selecting polysand on your pool deck remodel versus a regular sand will usually increase the cost by 50 cents to 85 cents a square foot. Deco drains. Deco drains provide pool decks with an effective drainage system. These drains collect and carry water away from the pool to prevent puddling and slipping on the pool deck. If your pool deck does not have efficient drainage in place, the installation of a deco drain can be required. Installation of these drains are approximately $29 to $35 a square foot and come in colors like tan and light gray. If you'd like to learn more about remodeling your pool deck, the cost of remodeling your pool deck, or material that you can use with a pool deck remodel, head on over to our website at AmericanPavingDesign.com. Here you can look at all of our blogs and our video library to get great ideas for your next pool deck project.